Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. Pretty simple day today. Just a study hall for other assignments that you got in different classes is our job. If you're at home, the people in class today are just going to continue to watch Twister. For online students, again, just use it as a study hall to get other work done in different classes. Obviously, last night at midnight was the cutoff for missing work for our class, so no need to attempt any other missing work for me because there are already zeros now. So a lot of people did a lot of work last night, I saw. So I've been grading all morning. The one thing I still have to grade is the chapter 3 quiz if you took it like online. So if you're one of these 4 people, I still have to grade the quizzes. If you have not taken the quiz yet and you are not an online person, email me and I will email you out the quiz because you have to at least attempt to take it. Otherwise, I will see you in person. So basically, if you miss the test day, if you were sick or something, the day we took the quiz, hopefully I'll see you today. But if not, just email me and I'll send you the quiz. If so, check Student View, see if it's missing. If you're not an online student or temporary online student, just email me and I will email you the quiz. But that's it. Good luck working on other assignments, guys. And if you check your Student View now, you'll have a really good idea of where your grade's going to be at the final. I do round up normally, so this may not be your final grade, but it's pretty close. All right, talk to you later. Have a good day, everybody.